Hey everyone, welcome to DelftStack. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to check your internet speed directly from the terminal on a Linux system. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to monitor their network performance without relying on graphical tools. To test your internet speed, you can use a tool called SpeedTest CLI. Let's install it with the following command. Once installed, run the following command to check out your internet speed. You will see both your download and upload speeds displayed in the terminal. The tool also offers several options for more detailed results based on your needs. To explore them, use the following command. And that's it for today's tutorial on checking your internet speed via the terminal on Linux. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to DelftStack for more tutorials. Check out our other videos on Linux tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.